Hey, what's up everybody? I just want to make this short video about pretty much comparing EDC Orlando to EDC Las Vegas. This time it was a few months ago. I went to EDC Las Vegas, which was my first time. I've been to EDC Orlando a couple times, and I enjoy it every time I go. But I didn't know what to expect from EDC Las Vegas. So in this video, I kind of want to give you what to expect from both events and like a couple tips. So one of the things that I noticed about EDC Las Vegas is that if you want to see a DJ, you have to leave probably like 4 hours before it starts, because I was riding the shuttle bus, and it took us like waiting for an hour, over an hour waiting on the shuttle bus to get to the shuttle bus, and then from the shuttle bus it took us like another hour to get to the event. So that's 2 hours of just like going to EDC Las Vegas. So keep that in mind. And I think the second day we took an Uber, and that took us an hour to get there, well, over an hour. And so keep that in mind, because EDC Las Vegas is gonna be like so much, it takes so much longer to get there, not compared to EDC Orlando. Like you can pretty much get there in 20 minutes, get inside like 30 minutes or so. Well, last year it took a little bit longer, I don't know why, but you can get there under an hour. And another thing is, keep that in mind that if you're traveling from the West Coast, it's gonna be cheaper for you than traveling like me from the East Coast. Because if you want to go to EDC Las Vegas, keep in mind that you have to pay more for your plane ticket, of course hotels, and to go around. If you want to either walk, get Uber, or rent a car, that's gonna be more expensive. Instead of here, you can drive your own car if you're on the East Coast. The one thing that really sucked for me, that I really had to complain about EDC Las Vegas, is how long it takes from to either to get to the event or from the event to your hotel. When after EDC Las Vegas, of course you're gonna be tired, no matter if it is first day or last day. But I noticed that the first day it takes way longer than the last day. The last day we were able to move a little bit faster, I guess because all people's tired, and some of them they don't even go. But on the way back from EDC Las Vegas to the hotel, it took us like over an hour waiting in line for the shuttle bus. You had to be standing up, and I ended up sitting down on the floor because I was too tired. And then another hour from EDC Las Vegas to the hotel, and of course it's the same as going back. So keep that in mind if you're ever planning on going to EDC Las Vegas, that you're gonna be waiting alone. Don't matter, I guess it takes a little bit less time if you get an Uber, but keep in mind, like, the longer you wait, the more expensive it's gonna be, and on the way back it's gonna be more expensive too. If I'm not mistaken, it was over $100 from the EDC Las Vegas to the MGM hotel to go back. So keep that in mind. And the longer, like if you will leave like 4 o'clock in the afternoon or 5, it won't be too expensive. It'll be like $30 to 40. But if you wait for like 9 o'clock, it will be like $80 to $100. So keep that in mind. EDC Las Vegas is great, don't get me wrong. There's a lot more DJs to see, and the people over there, that's another thing I noticed. The people in EDC Orlando is more friendly. Like, it's because it's smaller, everybody's talking to you more. EDC Las Vegas, I noticed like everybody was trying to move so fast, and so like I didn't feel like everybody was nice. I mean, don't get me wrong, nothing bad happened, but I felt like EDC Orlando was more friendly. So I guess because it was more, it didn't bother me. I figured I put that out, that I noticed that. And of course you have more stations, and it's bigger, it's better, but it takes longer. And of course, like I said, if you're from the East Coast, it's more expensive. Yes, I recommend it for you to go at least once if you want to go to EDC Las Vegas and experience something really cool and shit. But remember, it's a lot of money. Trust me, it's a lot of money. But either way, if not, if you cannot afford to go to EDC Las Vegas, at least go to EDC Orlando. It's pretty much the smaller version of EDC Las Vegas. Like some of the DJ from EDC Las Vegas come to EDC Orlando. It's not it's not it's not that good, but I mean it's still good. But if you want to experience something crazy, go to EDC Las Vegas for sure. But if you're from the West Coast and you're planning to see how EDC Orlando is, unless you're doing something else besides EDC or just EDC Orlando, I won't recommend it because it's pretty much I would suggest to go to EDC Las Vegas. If you think it's gonna be cheaper, it's not. It's pretty much the same. So yeah, so I hope you like this video and thanks for watching.